Today we're going to be trying to fit my niece's Gwen, who is how many months old?
She's 10 weeks.
10 weeks old, and my goddaughter and niece April, who's nearly 6, not 6 yet, is that right, April?
Yeah.
Into the BYD ATTO 3 with all of their car chairs and their buggy. So let's see how we get on. So to fit April and Gwen on the ATTO 3, we've got a couple of different systems going on here. We've got the ISOFIX child seat for April, who's 6. We've got the anchor ISOFIX position for Gwen, who this will go into that, and then we need to get this buggy into the boot. So the first job we're going to do is buggy into boot, and it will go in the underfloor as well, and then we put the seats in the back. So to fold it down, and these seats come, these wheels come off then as well. That one, and then these two then as well. And the handle falls down, which is good. Oh yeah, I get there. And all the wheels go in on top of it. So the boot, the subfloor of the boot now is full up with that buggy, but you still have access to the boot. So I'll move the camera over so you can see it, and then we'll move the camera over the door so you can see me fitting in the two ISOFIX systems for Gwen and for April. Still have a bit of space in underneath that boot as well if you want other stuff in it. We've got our charging cables, etc. So let's have a look and fit these seats into the back. So you can see it's high, and on the BYD they're fairly easily accessible, and it has a top tether as well. Not every car has that top tether, so you can put that top tether through the headrest and down, and then we have that's one, that's two, and that's done. And you could put the top tether in as well. Move the camera around the other side and you can see me fit the anchor seat in as well. So that seat is set for me. I'm 188 centimeters, 6'2", and then we are spinning it around, and then push and tight, and it's locked. Perfect.
Down inside the arm, there's two kind of grey.
This guy?
Yeah, push that and the other one, and that will lift the handle up because that's going to take up a bunch of space. There you go. Yep.
Oh.
You in?
Yeah.
Yep.
Here's a bit of better lighting and footage of that child seat and that anchor position in the floor. All the tabs are green, so it's properly connected, and you can see it there from the other side. At my height it is a bit tight, but it does fit in. And then we've got April's seat, which is that full bolster seat. Lots of leg room for her on the other side. She really enjoyed it. Obviously we can't hear what Gwen thinks, but get a big thumbs up there from April, and you can see her there with her long legs. And then if you wait long enough you will get a smile from Gwen. She lots of long legs there. I think she's going to be a basketball player. A big smile at the end. April really liked the panoramic sunroof on the design trim of the ATTO 3. Hopefully you enjoyed that quick video. Remember, if you think an EV is for you, leave it to me and I'll review. Thank you very much for watching.